Cell Structure and Function Unit Test. First, type your last name in the box here. Next, type your first name in the box here. Now you will select your cycle number. Number 1. A rigid layer of non-living material that surrounds the cells of plants and some other organisms. Is that Golgi body apparatus, vacuole, or cell wall? Number 2. A thin, flexible barrier around a cell controls what enters and leaves the cell. Vacuole, cell membrane, or chloroplast. Number 3. A cell structure that forms a maze of passageways in which proteins and other materials are carried from one part of the cell to another. Nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, or Golgi body apparatus. Number 4. An organelle that packages proteins for export by the cell. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body apparatus, or ribosomes. Number 5. Powerhouse of the cell. Organelle that produces energy from our food. Chloroplast, cytoplasm, mitochondria. Number 6. Cell organelle that stores materials such as water and food is much larger in the plant cell. Vacuole, cell wall, mitochondria. Number 7. The green organelle found in cells of plants and some other organisms that captures the energy from sunlight and converts it into food for the plant, photosynthesis. Chloroplast, cytoplasm, or ribosomes. Number 8. Small grain-like structures that makes proteins. Cytoplasm, mitochondria, ribosomes. Number 9. A gel-like fluid inside the cell in which the organelles are suspended. Chloroplast, cytoplasm, ribosomes. Number 10. A specific part of the cell that carries out a function means little organ, organism, organelle, or atom. Number 11. Which organelle is contained in the animal cell and not the plant cell? Cell wall, lysosome, chloroplast. Number 12. Which cell structure is letter A pointing to? Right over here, the blue. Is that nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, or Golgi body apparatus? Number 13. Which cell structure is letter B pointing to? So this purple. Nucleus, Golgi body apparatus, or ribosomes? Number 14. Which cell structure is letter C pointing to? This is the outer layer right here in green. the cell wall, cell membrane, or chloroplast? Number 15. Which cell structure is letter D pointing to? So this organelle right here. Cytoplasm, mitochondria, ribosomes. Number 16. Which cell structure is letter E pointing to? So this red right here. Nucleus, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body apparatus. Number 17. Which cell structure is letter F pointing to? So this green organelle right here, is that the cell membrane, chloroplast, or cytoplasm? Number 18. Which cell structure is letter G pointing to? So this structure here, is that the endoplasmic reticulum, vacuole, or cell wall? Number 19. Which cell structure is letter J pointing to? The arrow is pointing to the fluid filling the cell. Is that chloroplast, cytoplasm, or mitochondria? Number 20. True or false? The cell membrane is said to be selectively permeable, meaning some substances can cross the membrane while others cannot. Is that true or false? Number 21. The diffusion on water molecules across a selective permeable membrane is called osmosis, diffusion, or endocytosis. And number 22, the movement of materials across the cell membrane using cellular energy. Is that passive transport or active transport?